Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Snapchat. We will go to settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Snapchat and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Snapchat. And then here you can update your app if you find the update. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.